Hi guys, this is Pete Sohm with MarineMax Brick, New Jersey. Going to give you a quick walkthrough on the 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX. Let's take a look. First thing you notice, this boat actually does have the bimini top. You can get an optional sports tower, but we generally bring them in with the bimini top. At the transom, we have our submersible swim ladder, as well as our sun pad here at the back. It's a nice little spot to lounge out at. This boat's equipped with the MerCruiser 4.5 liter, 250 horse. Infinity woven carpet throughout the boat. We have a nice little dedicated cool box there, with a second spot for a cooler as well. Twin captain's chairs with thigh-high bolsters. Up at the helm, we have our Fusion stereo system with all of our tacks, and a little depth finder there, right there as well. Up in the bow of the boat, we have 2 speakers, 2 grab handles, and our stainless steel cleats. All right, guys, again, my name is Pete Sohm with MarineMax Brick. If you have any questions, go to www.marinemax.com. Thank you.